Hi guys! This is me, Eva G, ang inyong Pinay attendant dito sa Amerika! So, good morning guys! So, for today's video, dahil ngayon off ko ulit, every Monday and Tuesday po ang off ko. So, dun lang po ako nakakapag-vlog. So, ngayon po, nakita niyo po ang aking mga labahin. So, for today's video guys, tayo po ay pupunta sa Little Quiapo, sa Jersey City po. So, samahan niyo po ako at ang anak-anakan kong si Sachi. Tara na! Guys, while we are waiting to my daughter, so I'm going to put this one to the washing machine. So come with me to the basement. Ayan, baba na tayo guys. Punta natin si Sachi sa labas. Nag-aantay na siya. Ayan. Ang hirap pag wala kang dalang tripod. Meron pala ako dalang tripod, di ko pala nasuot, lalagay lang. So, ayan ang anak ko si Sachi. So, guys, Sachi is back. And we are back. We're back. And we are going to Little Quiapo. So, let's go. Let's join with us. Let's go. Drive na. So, see? It's a beautiful day again. And the weather is really nice. And also the ShopRite is there. So we're almost there na. Little Quiapo. Monday today.
Close ba yun? Bukas, di ba sinabi ko na nakarinig
Ay,
ako na sa
Oh, sorry.
Bukas.
I'm asking my daughter maybe the Little Quiapo is closed today, but she said that it's open on Mondays.
Oo, yan. Closes at 4 p.m.
Close at 4 p.m. pala. Guys, look at the weather. Again. Ay, ito palang school pala to.
Oo, kasi ito tayo sa
We're almost there. Ang ganda pala dito.
Ito yung Dickinson.
We are here at Newark Avenue. Hi! Newark Supermarket.
Pwede ba yun?
We are here! Ayan, Little Quiapo! So, magpapark muna tayo guys. Parang itsura ito, parang Mercury o yung PBH. So let's go guys. So guys, ayan na. Nandito na tayo. We're here. New Little Quiapo. At katabi niya naman itong Filipino Grocery and BPI. Pak. Oh, pak. Yan, meron silang halo-halo, palabok, goto. Palabok Tuesday pala, buy one get one free. Ay, ang dami. Yan o. Hi! So ito na, finally, nakarating na tayo sa Little Quiapo. Hi! Ang ganda naman pala dito. So, wow. Meron sila mga ganito, ang cute eh. At meron sila... Ayo, wait. Ito pala, tinan mo, meron silang mga piatos. Hooray! Naku, favorite ko yan. Ni Boy Bawang. They have choco and honey. This is our famous chocolate bar in the Philippines. Chippy. Yan silang marca piña, soy sauce, patis, fish sauce, tentay, patis, pure patis. Ay, silver swan vinegar. Yung isang fish sauce. So, may wishi din sila. Let's go. Anong order natin na?
Go-to.
Mag-go-to. Ito po pala ang kanilang mga combination platters, our specialty, all-day breakfast. Andiyan na rin po yung mga prices. They have silog, tapas, kusino. And meron silang palabok buy one get one free 50% off every Tuesday. Meron silang isda pa. Ang sarap ng isda. Dinuguan, palabok, langka pala,
Pansit na tayo na yun.
bopis.
Pansit yun na yun.
Pansit pala yun. Sorry. At mayroon silang manok. Lumpia. Oh my God. Sarap.
Turon yun.
Ay, turun ba yan? Kala ko lumpia, sorry. Turun pala. At meron silang spicy mani and non-spicy mani. Bagoong, oh. Ba't yung bagoong, oh. Bagoong alamang.
Gusto ko pink talaga na bago.
Tapos meron silang puto, meron silang kalamay ube, atsara. So, order muna tayo. Ito na. Meron silang pork sisig, bangus sisig, chicken sisig, and tofu sisig. So, our new overload dessert, ube. Ay, ito white rabbit. My favorite candy. Ay, sarap. Ay, niya daw po ang kanilang beef, salpikaw, crispy tenga, limited, danggit silog, pusit silog, food salad, kabog. Ang sarap ng food nila dito. Guys, ito po ang orderin ko. Pork steak, rice, and the fish. May chicken skin na pala siya. What is, si Merano. Okay, ube overload is one. I'll try that. Yes, I'm going to try that. Parang gusto kong umorder ng lumpiang gulay. Kaya nga, saka ano ba yun? Lumpiang gulay, turon. Gusto mo turon?
Yeah, turon. Gusto ko turon. Masarap yun.
Masarap yung turon. And also, lumpiang gulay. And turon. 2.
Namiss ko yung crispy tenga dun sa Pilipinas. Ito yung crispy tenga.
May crispy tenga sila.
Sa tundo dun sa amin, may nagtitinda.
Guys, di ba may crispy tenga sila? Tapos ito, meron silang lechon kawali platter. May esconielo. Tinry namin this one. Ube overload. Upo na tayo.
Ano? Special
Ito pala yung mga kanilang mga silog pala nakalimutan ko. May tapas, sino, longganisa, daing na bangus, hotdog, spam, Vienna sausage, corned beef, tuyo, dilis. That's their silog. Ang cute ng Little Quiapo.
Hindi tayo.
Yeah. I have also this calamansi juice and mango juice, guyabano juice. Guys, it's really, really delicious. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. And this one's really, really cute. In the Philippines, we use this as in our kitchen, especially in the province. So while we are waiting for our food, I'll show you around. So this new Aurora Salon, they are open Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So they are closed Tuesdays. And I think, this is a Filipino salon. And of course, syempre, the Little Quiapo and Filipino grocery. They are open or not. And of course, this is a famous in the Philippines, the BPI, about the remittances. And also, ano to? This one pala is RIA.
Remittance.
Remittance, yeah. May GCash din sila, may RIA, may ano pa sila dito? FedEx, UPS. Guys, ito na yung food natin. So, pork steak, chicken, and rice. Ano is goto? Ano bang goto sa English? Porridge?
Parang ano?
Rice?
Rice porridge.
Rice porridge.
Hindi, arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo eh. But in the Philippines, we call it arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo kasi chicken.
Chicken. Because chicken.
Pero
Arroz
dito kasi porridge siya.
porridge. So, look. So guys, let's eat. So, I ordered chicken garlic and pork steak. Ang sarap. Wala akong etchos Masarap po siya. It's really good. Ay, naku, may i-translate yung etchos sa YouTube. So, kayo, by the way pala, sa mga ano ko. And, okay, thank you. I think it's our turon.
Thursday at
Turon sa akin.
Ano ba lahat?
yes. Oh, thank you so much.
No?
Okay, thank you.
Ang sarap. Promise. It's really, really good. You can taste the garlic.
Who has yeah, I got overdose.
This is our dessert. This is banana. We call it turon. Let's try the pork tail. Ano na tayong bilis?
So, alas.
Masakit tayong kasama sa Coco.
Hindi ba kasama yun?
Let's try the pork steak.
Welcome. You're welcome.
Ang sarap din pala.
Ay,
okay lang po.
sorry yan. Ano ko?
Okay lang po.
I think,
Grabe, ang sarap guys. Punta kayo dito sa Little Quiapo.
okay.
Ang tamis nung nung sibuyas.
Breakfast, yeah. Is this the dough? Yeah. What's it okay? What's it?
Super spicy. Dapat kiki yan.
We have chicken seafood.
Ang sarap, promise. may chicharon? Ah, they have chicharon. Ano yung style?
Doso kasi. Sinabol.
Parang parang sarap.
Chicharon. Gusto ko kasi. Hindi ako kumain kahapon.
Kain lang tayo guys ah. Okay. Grabe, ang sarap po ng turon. May lang, ayun. Ayun. May lang ka, ang dami lang ka sa loob. Ang sarap. Tikman mo na, ang sarap ko na. So good. Oh my God. Order pa tayo. Ang sarap na to. Pareho tayo. Ako lang iinom din ako. Ayan na! Ang aming ube overload!
Yes. Yeah.
Wow!
You want an extra bowl or?
Yan extra po. Oh, thank you
I'll get this
po.
na para.
Thank you. Makita ko sa kanya.
Ano na?
Ito po
Ay,
ang
naku,
ating ube overload. Pack! That's it guys. Ang ube talaga oh. Picture na. Ay, hindi mo na mapipicturean. Ang ganda ng ube overload. May mga sabog, may mga alig sa boba. Thank you po. Thank you. Nakaingon ka sa
Papabangon nyo?
Thank you, tita.
Here ba?
Ang sarap ng pulos. Grabe po. So, it's really, really good. Dalawa.
Okay na, sige na kami masarap. Di ba pang ano, sige na ako na. Ang dami.
Kung habang nasa sakit tayo.
Tulong na.
Kaya pag-inumin ko na lang. Sarap. Guys, not hindi bias or something. But everything's really, really so good. Sarap. Even the ice cream. Ang ganda lang na dito ng yelo, no? Super ang talaga, pino. Yung ice nila dito. Ano ba yung English ng pino? Basta yun mo. Mag-open. Ay, nga pala guys. To all my foreign subscribers, I give you some instruction. If you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, just go to YouTube, of course, and then click settings on your TV or your phone, and then choose language, and then you can see the auto-generated caption, so you can understand what I'm talking about, especially in Tagalog. So guys, sorry nag-utos pa ako.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. So this time gonna take long.
Kita nyo yung anak ko, bihira magsabi ng masarap na sinabi na masarap.
Oh, the chocolate?
Perfect.
Pinorfect ni Mami dito. Yung ube overload.
Actually, lahat masarap.
Masarap lahat.
Silugong ang dami na ubus ko.
Ayaw pa pala. Hindi siya nakakaubos talaga ng ganong karami. Most of the time, ba't kumakain ka? Ano niya, tinitake away niya o take out niya yung mga leftover niya. Pero this time nakita niyo, naubos niya talaga. So guys, kung kayo sa Little Quiapo, ano ba yung gano'n na? Newark Avenue.
Newark Avenue.
Yan, Newark Avenue sa Jersey City po. So guys, try nyo itong ano nila. Kasi lahat masarap, promise. At itong especially yung turon, saging at ano, itong ube overload. Ayan guys, tayo mag-to go. Mag-order tayo ng ating to go para sa ating for dinner, our dinner. Parang gusto ko ng ano, yun, parang nilaga. O kaya dinuguan. This one. I was thinking kung anong isda pala to. Ito pala, this is tulingan. So, that's really, really good also.
Yeah,
Delicious.
we have
And guys, nga pala yung pagbabayad, cash lang ang tinatanggap nila, saka Bermo? Bermo. So,
Venmo.
Ah?
Venmo.
Venmo? Yun, Venmo. Ano po yun? Parang yun online transfer po ng money online transfer. So, yun po ang kanilang mode of payment. So guys, we're done eating our lunch. So, thank you so much, Little Quiapo. Ayan. Sa ating masarap na lunch. Pak ang aking anak-anak ni Saji. Diba? Ayan. So, ayan po ulit. Little Quiapo. Guys, yun po ang Little Quiapo. Doon po sa side na yon. At nandun po tayo sa lugar. Nandun tayo sa lugar ng Newark Avenue, Jersey City. Guys, we're here at Walmart. Anong Walmart to?
Si Cocos.
Walmart Secaucus. Napakaraming tao. Ito namang side na to, nandito yung Sam's Club. Sam's Club. And of course, the Walmart. Oh my God, this one is big. At ang bango guys, no ano, smells really good. Smells sausage. We're going to buy vegetable salmon for my what you call this, for my 1 week food, and I borrow money to my daughter so I can repay her na lang on my next salary. Or chinismis ko pa guys nanghiram ako ng I borrow money so just yun kasi nga ano sa Saturday pa yung salary so you know. Ayan, ito po ang kanilang mga gulay. Ayan, sayote, oh my gosh, magkano isa na sayote? $1 and 2 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mga 5 lang. Ay, liliit pala. Ito 5. Tama na ba yung 5?
Sabi naman.
5. So, we need to get garlic and onion. And of course, the banana. The banana. Kunin tayo. Kunin tayo ng banana. Ayan, 50 cents per, per pound. Ano ba? Dapat yung konti lang ito. 4 lang. Ito na pala siya. In this corner, charot, in this corner, boxing, in this corner, weighing 100 pounds, charot, Just, yan. Oo. Ang dami. Tama ilang pira yan. Isang ganyan lang. Tapos ito. Ano ba magandang ano? Ganito puti, no? Pag ano, pag sa sayote. O kasi pangit pag gano'n. Wala pang ano, yung puti lang. Yung anak solo.
Dalawa ba?
Oo. Wala tayong ano eh.
Walang singaw na ano.
So, we're going to buy
Na chicken na lang.
ground pork or beef or chicken. Daming beef. Pa-time na ano eh. Hindi po kasi kumakain ng beef. So, tingin tayo ng ground pork. May pag walang ground pork. Ground ano lang siguro sila. Chicken na lang. Ayan, so ground chicken na lang.
Huwag mo na lagyan ng kamatis.
So, we need a salmon fillet. Asa yung salmon fillet nila? Ay na pala. Thank you na. Opak, salmon, pink salmon. Next time, bili tayong blue salmon. Pink salmon. And then yung bread naman, bread.
Ay, no.
So guys, so far, ito na po yung mga nabili namin. Ayan. So guys, I'm home at ito na po pala. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo yung pag-prepare ko. So, nakat ko na yung mga vegetables, saka itong mga ingredients, itong onion and garlic. Bumili tayo ito na. And then, ground chicken. Kasi wala silang pork, they don't have pork. So, yan, chicken na lang. So, let's start cooking. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, we need to put some vegetable oil. This one is so easy. So we need to put some garlic. And then after the garlic, of course, the onion, and then the ground chicken. And then after that, we need to put the sayote. And then boil it until it's cooked. The more the garlic, the more it's more delicious. It smells good. Honestly, it really smells good. Because maybe the garlic made from what? Spice World. Made of what? Of course, garlic. Made of garlic. So we need to put our onion. Look. And then after that, we need to put our ground chicken. If you have ground pork, it's okay. So The chicken. And then after this, the sayote. Sayote squash. And then also, of course, you need to put some a little water, and then salt, pepper to taste. Smells really, really good. Guys! Oh, wow. It smells so good. So after this, we need to put na the sayote. Sayote squash. Now we can put na our sayote squash. In the Philippines, we call it sayote. But here, I said they call it chayote. Chayote. Chayote squash. And in the Philippines, if you don't have ground pork or ground chicken, sometimes we can put sardines, you know. Sardines, and sometimes they put corned beef. Guys, look. Look. And then we need to put water. We need to add water. Leave it like this until like 20 minutes, and then it's done. Then add salt and pepper pala before I forgot. Salt and pepper. Where's our pepper? Ground black pepper. So guys, let's see. Oh wow. Look. Pak, diba? It's already cooked na. So delicious. So good. And then after that, we're going to cook na this salmon. We need to fry it. So that's a combination with the sayote or coyote squash with pink salmon. That's it. So we're going to try it now. Honestly, it's really, really good. Ang sarap. Approve. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. And like you see, we visited Little Quiapo, and with all honesty, all the food are really good, really, really delicious, especially the turon, and then also the ube overload. Oh my god, that's really, really so good, and you need to try that. And I told to my daughter, we need to go back there one of these days, so we need to try the halo-halo. Because I am really craving for the halo-halo, or we call it here mix. So, so hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe guys, and comment, and please share. Thank you, love you guys.